Welcome to this demonstration. We are now going to extend on the point as to how you are collaborating with your supplier base. We have seen how you can utilize this solution straight out of the box for dealing with your external partners, but there might be partners that are not willing to engage with you in that fashion, or you do not trust them, so you don't want them inside your ERA system. Therefore, you are able to also export information from the ERA system in a standardized format for that set of partners. We're following the PDX format, which is approved by the IPC. The way we are supporting it is that you can go into a design, you can right-click and state that you want to generate a PDX package. You can here identify who you're going to generate the PDX package from. This is important because that is the way we're utilizing the permissions that you've already set up as illustrated in one of the other demonstrations. What we're now doing is that we're identifying who we're doing it for, pushing the OK button, and then automatically generates a PDX package that will be placed on the ERA's desktop and is included inside a document object. I can then extract that by getting a copy, sending it to my supplier, who then can open it in a free viewer of PDX or a very cheap one as well. Here is an example of how the PDX viewer could look with the content included. And again, this is following the permission set that you've already set up as illustrated before. What we want to do is to show a simplistic demo of how we can do that. So we will log in as the design engineer, we will find our product, we will generate the PDX package of that, locate it, download it, and view it inside a PDX viewer. So let me log back in. I'll log in as the design engineer. We have already set up, as previously illustrated, a set of permissions for a particular product. We call it external subassembly. What I can do now from this is that I can simply right-click and generate a PDX package. It now allows me to select the identity for who I'm doing it, and by selecting the external manufacturer, it now follows the permission set that we generated previously in one of the other demonstrations. I click the Generate PDX Package. It now states that it has created a new package and it's placed it on the desktop. So I can go into ERAS, into my desktop, and then I've got a new PDX package. I can double click on it. That opens up the detail of this PDX package. I can see for which version and revision I created it of the external subassembly. Here I've got the actual file following the PDX XML standards. If I want to, I can get a copy of it. Then you have to imagine that I'm sending it to my supplier, and then the supplier, he has now received that file. He can go into his PDX viewer, he can open up the file, and now I can actually view the content of it. If you look at the document section, and if you remember back, then you remember that we did not grant that the supplier could see any documents. So again, here it is not included in the package. You can all find all the details of the components that we have granted him for and that you have allowed him to see. This concludes this simple illustration of how we are utilizing the PDX format for export combined with the permission set. Thank you for watching. For more information, please go to ERAS or the Minerva website. Thank you.